channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be showing you what's new in Ikea. Last time I did this video you guys really loved it, so I thought I would do another one this month to see if they had anything new, and they actually did have quite a few new bits. So I'm really excited to show you that, and also I wanted to show you a few things that I picked up as well and what I'll be using them for, because I've got a few different projects going on at the moment, so I'm excited to share that with you. So stick around for the end of the video to see what I bought, and if you want to see what is new in Ikea, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so before I take you into store, I wanted to tell you what I do before I actually go into Ikea, because usually what I would like to do is research anything that's new in, so I know what to look out for when I go into store. I was instantly drawn to this spring cleaning section, and they've got loads of gorgeous traditional pieces for spring cleaning, which I absolutely loved. Unfortunately, a few of the items I wanted to get, they are already sold out of in store, so maybe pick them online if there's anything specific you really want, but I really loved this. Ikea are constantly updating their website, so make sure you do your research before you go shopping to make sure you don't miss out on any amazing deals and new products. So in store, I really loved these whiteboards for getting organised with life. These would be great in the kitchen. They also had lots of gorgeous new prints in. I love this play one if you had a playroom, and I also love this travel plans one. I thought that was an amazing canvas. They had some amazing mirrors in stock. This was £45, and lots of new lighting I noticed. So I hadn't seen this one in before. Loved that, and I also really liked this one. It had like a marble base and then a glass kind of lamp. It was a bit expensive, £199 for that one, but I thought it was quite eye-catching and different. I'm really loving wood and rattan style lamps at the moment, so these really caught my eye. This one was a bigger one here, as you can see, £40. I thought that was really cool. And then these little lamps I thought were really nice too. I really liked this lantern style light for £35. I thought that was really nice. And again, more frames and pictures. I loved this gold frame. I thought that was really nice. And I also spotted these prints in a bathroom section. I also loved this sofa if you've got a playroom or a fun kind of area in your house. I thought that was really fun. And then we've got a sustainable and smart section that I went through. Absolutely love this rattan furniture. I just thought these were great pieces that you could use either outside or inside, depending on your style. And I loved these hanging planters too. I thought they were really nice. Loads of great reusable pieces in the kitchen section. Again, I loved this cup, and it was only £1. I then saw this gorgeous desk, which was like a bamboo kind of desk. You could use this for your makeup area if you wanted to. That was £129. And then this chair was £70. I spotted this high chair, which I hadn't actually seen in Ikea before. This is £74. Let me know if you've tried it and what you think of it. In the fridge, they also had all of their kind of Tupperware in there, so you could see how you could use it. Reusable glass Tupperware. And they had also loads of trays. I love the trays in Ikea. They have so many. And they also had a tray stand, which I thought would be really cute if you're having like an afternoon tea, or you could have like cakes on there, sandwiches. I just thought that was so different, and you could easily spray paint it if you don't really have black in your kitchen. You can spray paint it gold, silver, any kind of colour. This drinks dispenser was really nice, so it's like a jar with a tap, so you could use it for your drinks in the summer. And then I really liked this Lazy Susan. I've not seen it in here before, and that was £6. There were loads of new waste sorting solutions, so recycling bins in the kitchen section, and I really loved this little basket. I thought that was cute. They've displayed it on the wall. Okay, so Ikea had loads of green in today. I noticed they had loads of green little storage pieces, stationery. They also had some green rugs, and just everything was green today. So they had a whole green theme going on. I loved this vase on the table. Look how expensive that looks. And as I mentioned, they had lots of green rugs as well. So I love this kind of forest green, this kind of gorgeous green. £35 that rug is. How good is that for a rug? I think that was so affordable. And then they had these gorgeous plants, so the Fechka plants, but I've never seen them in a pack of 3 before. I think those were £12, so not too bad, and lots of beautiful colours for spring, summer. I love these little pots as well. You could use those for your stationery as well if you didn't want to use them for the plants. I then spotted this, which is like a metal kind of vanity storage system, I guess. It was new in, so it was black. You could spray paint this if you wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz, but it was £150, so great for storage. And then I spotted the new Malm. So they've got a larger, taller Malm, which I hadn't seen before. As you can see, Orlando's just enjoying a snack with me. He was too cute not to include in this video. And then we've got another great storage solution here, especially for toys if you needed that in your living room. And this is also great for storage too if you wanted to put your blankets in there. I really liked this tray table as well. I think I would paint it if it was me, but yeah, it was £45, which is great and affordable. And look at those sunflowers, so gorgeous for spring. This chair is like a ghost chair. I get asked a lot about the ghost chair that I used to have. So they've got them in Ikea now for £45. Great at any vanity. They also have loads of textiles in, so look at all of those cushion covers. A great way to make your house look different for each season. Just by changing the textiles in your house can really make your rooms look like they've had a really big makeover. So definitely switch it up for each season. And let me know what your favourite season is to decorate for. I think mine is definitely Christmas, winter time, but I do love spring and summer too. Some smaller storage compartments. I loved this little box. I thought that was so cute. The fact that you can kind of change the labels up as well. So you could use it anywhere in your house, in the kitchen, in your bedroom, wherever. They also had lots of great sustainable baskets, as you can see, made with love. So I spotted these on the website before I went. So I made sure that I could pick a few out for you whilst I was in store. So I'm going to show you a few of my favourites right now. This Hessian basket would look great in a bathroom with some towels wrapped up inside. Another really nice way to use these baskets is for your plants. So you can pop your plant pots inside and that will just make them look really cool. These baskets here would be great for your hair tools or products. You could also use it for toy storage, and again you could use it for your plants and flower pots as well, so that would look really nice. This one especially looks really cute like that. As you can see here, they've put some little plants in there and cushions. In the bathroom section I spotted this, which would be great for storage, so it was £45 and they had a smaller one beside it as well. And I also liked all of these little storage solutions. I wish I had a vanity big enough to do this, but I don't, unfortunately. These would probably be great for kitchen storage as well. And I liked this little mini vanity that you could kind of take around with you. You could use this for your jewellery storage or even makeup supplies, like your everyday makeup would look really good in here. And you can take it around the house with you, which is good. And then finally, I loved this little bar of soap. How cute is that? Soap on a rope. Loved it. Okay, so that is everything that is new in Ikea. Now I thought I would show you a few of the bits that I bought in Ikea because we're doing lots of organising around the house at the moment. So let me show you what I got. Currently we're doing our airing cupboard, which is also known as a linen closet maybe. We actually have our boiler in the airing cupboard, so we don't have that much space, and it was such a mess. I just had to like take everything out and sort it out. So we're currently going through that at the moment. I'm painting it and I want to put all of the baskets in there, which I bought from Ikea today. So these were the baskets that I've bought. I wasn't really sure about the dark wood, but I thought because I'm painting it white inside, it will look really lovely and crisp, and this would look really nice, like contrast really nicely with it. So I got that basket. I got two of these. These are the Gabbig baskets. So I got two of those ones. They were £9 each. And then I also bought 4 of these smaller ones. These were £5 each, so I got 4 of those because I've got 2 smaller shelves at the top, so I wanted to use those for like more like products and, you know, things like that. I got all of those baskets. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't sure on the dark wood, but I think it's going to look quite nice. Then I bought some of this. So these are like grippers for rugs. So we recently bought a new rug for our living room. I haven't got it down at the moment because it's quite a thin rug. It slips around. It's so annoying because the rug is so nice and it makes the room look really, really cozy. But because it slips around, I can't use it because the boys are constantly tripping over it. So I bought 4 of these. These were £2.50 each. I'm going to see if it works. They're called the Stop, which is a fitting name for it, but yeah, hopefully it will stop the rug from slipping all over the place. So 4 of those, £2.50 each, not too bad. I then bought 2 of these. These are for my kitchen, so in my kitchen cupboards I thought I could use these for like jars or spices, and these are the Sisan. These are actually like napkin holders, I think. These were in the kitchen section and they were £4.50 each. Yeah, these were £4.50 each. I got 2 of them like so. These would look nice in here actually, but I don't need them in here. But yeah, 2 of those, so I thought those would be nice. And then for the kitchen I got a pack of 2 pairs of scissors because recently I've sorted out my cutlery drawer and we don't actually have any scissors because the ones that we had broke. So 2 of those now, and I like that they're grey and white, and they were £2. Also grabbed the boys some more colouring pens because they always need more colouring pens. They absolutely love colouring in. Mark picked up one of these. So this is the Scub. Is it the Scub or Scub? It's basically like a box container, but it's a fabric one, and he has bought that for the car because in our car we often have spare gloves, spare hats, coats and things like that in the boot because often we will forget to take them with us when we go out, so we always have spares in the car just in case we need them. And Mark hates the fact that they're just like all over the boot and it's such a mess in there, so we got that box. Hopefully that'll fit nicely in the back of the boot and keep everything nice and organised in the car. So we got that one. That was £6 for that one. They had loads of different sizes. You could use these under your bed, you could use them anywhere for storage. They're really, really great. So yeah, we got that for the car. And then lastly, I just got some candles. These were £1.50. I thought I picked up more than one, but I didn't, which is so annoying. These are the vanilla ones. They smell so nice, so I use these like pretty much every day when I use my wax melt. So got those, and then I bought this jar to put the candles in. This is why I'm so annoyed that I didn't buy more candles, because it's not going to go very far, is it? Those ones are probably going to go to here, but this is a jar I bought. It was £2.50, and it is the, what's it called now? The Vardigan jar. Yeah, so this I actually picked up just as we were leaving. So when we were going to pay, I saw this and I thought that would be perfect for all of the candles, to keep them stored nicely rather than just keeping them in the packet like this, because that's what I usually do, just like shove them in the cupboard. But that will keep them much more organised, and I can actually have them out on display then as well, because it will look a lot nicer. So yeah, candles, a jar, lots of storage baskets, because that is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just organising everything in my house. So yeah, all of the cupboards are going to be tidy within a couple of months, I'm sure. Hopefully. Like I said, I'm going to film my airing cupboard transformation, so I can't wait to share that with you. Hopefully it turns out all right. I've got some nice little ideas going on in there. And that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this what's new in Ikea video. Let me know if you want to see more of them, because I love going to Ikea. And I will see you all in my next video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so you know every time that I upload. I've got a few giveaways coming up as well, so make sure you're always here within the first hour of the video, because they're going to be right at the beginning of the video, so you don't miss out. So thank you so much for watching, guys, again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.